Hello everyone. So today we have a problem solving type section 1 question. Okay, so right, I guess you guys have read through the question. If not, pause the video, have a read, try the question on your own before you come back to do this. Okay, alright. So any of these questions, I think I've mentioned in one of my previous videos, always try and set it up. How am I gonna reorganize this information into a way that I can visually, how can I visually represent this information and read the information better? So what do we have? 7 houses on the street. Okay, so maybe I can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all running left to right, running from same side of the street from west to east. West to east. Okay, and we got K, L, M, N, O, P, and R people. R do not live on the first or the last house on the street. How can I represent rule number 1 into a form here? So I can just write below it, R is not on the first or the last. Okay, K lives fourth from the west. Doesn't really matter. 1, 2, 3, 4. K. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Going through rule 1, going through rule 2. The Muirs live next to the Khans. Now, here's where we need to think. You can either be on the left or the right. Okay. Done. The Piets live east of both the K and the M, but west of the Lows. So the Piets live east. So M, K, whatever, and then P's live here, and then L. So I can just write P has to live P, L, and they have to live somewhere here. Okay. And that's just all our rules done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay. So whenever we have two different possibilities of the M's living either on the left or the right, I can split it up into two tables. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I copy the same information over. R not here, R not here. So in this first one, I want to make it such that the M's do live on the left, and in the bottom one, the M's live on the right. Okay, and which means that P and L have to be here. Now P and L can still be somewhere. So look at what we have achieved. Okay, let's go try the question. If the Owens live east of the Khans, so they're saying that O is after K. Okay, which means that can we look at it? We don't have any space for O's to fit in east of the Khans, so west, east. So we're not looking at the scenario 2. We're looking at scenario 1. Okay, so O has to be somewhere here. So I can write O has to be somewhere here. Which of the following pairs of families must live next to each other? Okay, so let's see what things we have taken care of. We have taken care of the position of K, L, P, O, and M, and we're left with N and R. Since the first one cannot be R, okay, and the last one cannot be R, R must be over here, all right? And therefore, because we have 3 things to be put in 3 different categories, N must be over here. Okay, so N, R, M, K, and then O, P, and L have somehow got to fit in the last 3. So, must live next to each other. K and P, not necessarily. I can go K, O, P, L, so not true. L and O, not necessarily. Looking at this scenario, L and O can live away from each other. M and N, not necessarily, because N is over here, M is over here. Sorry, that's the N. N and R. See? N and R must live here. There's no other possibility outside it. So the answer is going to be D. Because O and P don't have to live next to each other. I can go K, P, L, and O. Okay? Trying to prove this one to be wrong. Okay? So the answer is D. I hope you guys like this question.